Realme has introduced the Neo 7 SE, the first smartphone powered by the Dimensity 8400 Max chipset. It will be available Mecha Blue, Silver, and Black color. The Realme Neo 7 SE features a 6.78-inch 1.5K flat gaming display with 450 ppi, a peak brightness of 6000 nits, and ultra-thin 1.49mm bezels for a 93.9% screen-to-body ratio. It supports a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate. The device debuts with MediaTek's Dimensity 8400 Max chipset, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Neo 7 SE runs on Realme UI 6.0, based on Android 15. For photography, the Neo 7 SE is equipped with a 50MP Sony IMX882 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The smartphone packs a 7000 mAh Titan battery. It supports 80W smart fast charging. The Neo 7 SE is designed with durability and boasting IP69 certifications. Realme Neo 7 SE price 1,799 yuan for 8GB plus 256GB. And translation. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.